We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the heavy-duty 7x20 foot Dovetail utility trailer. This trailer does have the 5-inch C channel, as well as the 3x5 1/4-inch thick bottom frame. This has your jack, coupler, safety chains, your tie-down points that are built in, as well as the stake pockets along the side. This trailer does have the pressure-treated wood floor. It is a tandem axle. You're gonna have two 5,200-pound Greaseable axles with brakes on both. Has your diamond plate fender, as well as the LED drive lights. Here we have the reinforced loading gate. Once again, this is the 7x20 heavy-duty Dovetail utility trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.